So one of the things that I see people getting hung up on as they navigate their lives after a life of religious indoctrination. One of the questions that comes up is, okay, now that the religion that I knew is out of my life, now that I am not associated with that religion, what do I call myself now? How do I label myself? We're going to talk about that, why those questions can bring so much confusion and what to do about it, what you can do to transcend it, okay? Not to judge it, but to observe it when the questions come up, okay? If you're new to me, I'm Tamara Temu. This platform, Unleashed Alchemy, is to help Black women embrace their cosmic identity and to reach the highest level of liberation in every single part of their life. So if that's you, okay, and you have left religion, you're navigating your life after religion, then welcome. All right, to all of you that have been here, welcome back. Let's get into today's episode. So, what do I call myself? And it's not so much, that's really not the question. The question is not so much, what do I call myself? The reason why it's not so much that question is because the question is really, who am I? But it comes out as, okay, what do I call myself? What do I label myself as? Because and the reason it's a natural progression, this is not if you're asking yourself that question, don't judge it. Don't pretend like the question isn't there. Observe it and acknowledge it. Give it reverence. Give it attention, okay? But that question is rooted in fear. And the reason why that question is rooted in fear is because the religion that you once identified with, and that's the key here, identity. The religion that you once identified with, it's how you lived. That was your standard. That religion, that indoctrination, that dogma, that became your expression. It wasn't the truth of you, but it was your expression that you adopted because of programming. Okay, we know that now. So what religion does is that it programs you to believe that to have some type of validation, to be validated in your humanness, to be validated in your womanhood, that you had to stamp yourself or brand yourself with some type of label. This is why, and this is a side note that I'll address in another video, but this is why religion made marriage the ultimate level of womanhood and the ultimate level of a woman's expression. And it actually is not. Okay. So again, we'll use that for another episode. But there was always this idea and message that here is your label. Here is the book that you need to live by. Go forth in life. And hopefully when you die, you'll make it to some place called heaven somewhere. Okay. But that religion became your label. Those indoctrinations became how you communicated, how you express yourself, how you related to yourself, how you related to other people. It even got intertwined in your career choices, your business choices, how you showed up in the world, your job choices, because your identity was this label of religion. So now that you don't have that anymore, now that you have freed yourself into the unknown to your natural mind, however, your soul knows your natural expression. Now you don't have all of those different labels. So, of course, now you're searching, okay, so where is this label? What do I call myself? Even to say, what do I call myself? That label is still something outside of you. And that is also a key. That religious dogma is still operating in your life because you're looking for something outside of you to validate your existence. As a Black woman, navigating through that, going through that, you have to know that you are cosmic. As a woman of cosmic nature, there is no label. There is no label. There isn't just one identity. You have different aspects. You have so many different aspects of you. That is what really an identity is. It is an aspect. There are many aspects of you. And because of religion taught you only to pick out those aspects of you that were acceptable to the standard of that religion. So now that you don't you don't have that religion anymore, you have detached yourself away from it. But yet you're still asking yourself, well, what do I call myself for now? You don't need to call yourself anything. You don't need to label yourself anything because a label is something outside of you that gets put on you. Your essence comes from the inside expressed out. What you are is abundant. If you want to call yourself anything, call yourself prosperous. If you need to identify with a word, call yourself prosperous. But you don't have to call yourself anything. There is no label that is required for you to put your stamp on this world, for people to know that you were here. There is no label that you need. Because even with a label, that still has borders. And that's what religion is. Religion is a border. It is a construct. If I give you this label, then you're that for the rest of your life. If I give you this label, there is no expansion with a label because you cannot deviate from that label. That is what religion teaches you. But you are no longer attached to that. So now expand. Expansion. I'm going to give you this exercise. This is an exercise that I still do. All right. You write out how you see yourself. Put pen to paper. Don't do it on the laptop. Don't do it on your phone. There is something about putting your words onto paper. That is your frequency. That is an expression of your frequency. So put pen to paper. Write out how you see yourself. Not how other people see you. Not what you've been told about you, but write how you see yourself. Putting pen to paper in that way and doing this exercise, it brings you clarity. There is a certain level of clarity that you experience after leaving religion. Yet there are levels to your clarity because there's levels to your expansion, because there's levels to your freedom. All right, it's not a destination. It is an elevation over and over and over again. So this exercise is going to bring you clarity. It's going to free you of that cloud of, okay, what do I call myself now? That cloud dissipates because as you write how you see yourself, again, there's more clarity. So as you get more clarity, that cloud dissipates, the cloud of confusion dissipates, the cloud of fear dissipates to make you think that you need to have some stamp, some brand. That's what, you know how cows get branded? That's what a religion is. That, I know that's a very extreme example, but that, if you can picture it like that, that is what religion it is. It is a brand. You're no longer attached to that. As the original woman, your Black ancient mothers were the standard. No one gave them a standard. You have to understand that ancient civilization came to them for how to be in the world, for how to exist, for plans of civilization, on how to have a community. Your ancient Black mothers were consulted. They didn't have a label. They were just in their full cosmic currency, in their full cosmic frequency, in their full cosmic energy. Can you put energy? Can you contain energy? No, you cannot contain you in your expression. And it's time for you to remember that, to come back to that, to be that, to embrace that. So, to help you do that, I offer one-on-one sessions that you can book with me now on my website. Okay, you can go straight to unleashedalchemy.com and you can book your session then. My sessions are 90 minutes. All right, they're 90 minutes for a reason, because we go through, and it's an in-depth session, so that you can get free, okay, and stay free. All right, so that you can get the clarity that you deserve. All right. You'll walk away with actionable tips, actionable steps that you can start to integrate into your life. All right. That's why they're 90-minute sessions. Okay. Also, I want to tell you about my complimentary workshop, Ascension workshop, which will be Saturday, November 22nd at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is a complimentary workshop where we're going to talk about how you can gain clarity with ease, okay, not with force. Sometimes you feel like while you're navigating this life after religion, it can feel like something that you have to hurry up and just leave religion and just jump into something else or find a spiritual practice. No, there's no force here. You're going to get into your clarity. You're going to get into your magic. You're going to get into the full expression of you without force. You're going to ascend into your nature without force. And that's what we're going to cover in that workshop. I'm very excited. It was just something that just came about. All right. And so again, it'll be Saturday, November 22nd at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Click the link in the description box of this video, or if you're listening to it on the podcast, the link to reserve your spot for this complimentary session will be in the description box of the episode. Let me know what your takeaways are from this episode, and I will see you November 22nd.